In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate ratios in Microsoft Excel. We're going to turn two numbers into a clean, simplified ratio, the same way you would reduce a fraction. This is helpful for reports, dashboards, or anytime you want to express one value relative to another in an easy-to-read format. Start by opening your Excel sheet. This can be the desktop app or the web version. Make sure you're in the worksheet where your numbers live or where you want to build the ratio. It helps to keep things tidy by setting up a small area for inputs and results. Next, place the two numbers you want to compare in adjacent cells side by side in the same row. For example, put the first number in A2 and the second number in B2. Consider adding short labels above them so you remember what each number represents. Ratios work best with whole numbers. If your values are decimals, think about converting them to whole numbers first, either by multiplying to remove decimal places or rounding, so Excel's GCD function can do its job correctly. Also, watch for zeros. A single zero is fine, but two zeros together won't produce a valid ratio. Now you'll find the divisor that simplifies the pair. In a new cell, say C2, type the GCD formula, equals GCD A2 B2. GCD stands for greatest common divisor, the largest whole number that divides both inputs evenly. If A2 is 24 and B2 is 36, GCD will return 12. That tells you each number can be divided by 12 to get the simplest form. If one number is negative, Excel effectively uses the absolute value. If both are 0, GCD returns 0, which you should avoid because it leads to a divide by 0 error in the next step. Finally, create the ratio string. In another cell, say D2, build a formula that divides each original number by that divisor and glues the results together with a colon using the ampersand. Type A2 says $2 and B2 says. Notice the dollar signs. They lock the divisor cells so you can copy the formula down for other rows without breaking the reference. With our example, the result is 2, 3. That output is a text string, which is perfect for display in tables or charts. If you prefer to keep the simplified numbers available separately, you can also place A2 or C2 and B2 or C2 in their own cells and format or reference them as needed. That's it. You've opened your sheet, set the inputs, used GCD to find the simplifying divisor, and built a clean ratio string. Repeat the same layout for more pairs and you'll have consistent readable ratios across your workbook.